Today I'm going to do some sprouting, and it truly is one of my favorite things to do. So all you need is a jar. Now I did happen to find this actual sprouting jar at the health food store. It's got a stainless steel rim and then a stainless steel mesh on it. Very lucky to find it. I'm sure you can find them online. I'm sure you know that they're very accessible. But if you don't happen to find one, or if you're not going out and you want to start some sprouting, just make something, you know, get a glass jar, get a lid and poke some holes in it, and you can make a sprouting jar very easily. So today I'm going to use some sprouts that are an ancient Eastern blend. Now I happen to get my sprouting seeds from Mums in Canada. You can get them anywhere. I am not sponsored by Mums. I just like their product because they're all organic. And I like the blend. This is just a blend of different Eastern blend of seeds. So what they have in here, I will read it for you. They've got fenugreek, lentils, kamut, and adzuki. I'm probably not pronouncing them right, but these are great seeds to sprout. So this is extremely, extremely easy to do. I'll show you how easy this is. Easy peasy. I'm going to take this jar, open up my sprouting seeds. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons of seeds. See, they're just a really nice different blend. So I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of seeds in here, in your jar. This is so easy and so many benefits. I'll go through the benefits with you later. And then I am going to cover them in water. Okay. And I spilled it all over because I was getting carried away. Okay, give me a second, I'll be back. Okay, it's great water, so I guess I'll just wash my floor with it now. So I'm going to put the water in here again. Oh my goodness, I tipped the jar upside down and it went everywhere. Nana, my kids would say, Nana. Okay, so you're gonna put the lid on this and you're not going to tip it over, right? And you're just going to, a couple of times a day, you're going to change the water. So I will show you how. So easy peasy, a couple of times a day, you're going to just strain the water out of here. Fill it with fresh water. Give it a little swirl. Drain the water again. And then what I do is I just let it sit upside down in a bowl on my counter. And then in a few days, you'll see them starting to sprout, and I'll take you through the process. After they've sprouted, you'll see how beautiful the sprouts are. Now, what do I use the sprouts for? You can use them, love them on sandwiches instead of lettuce. Love it in a salad. Or sometimes I'll just take a handful of sprouts and just eat them because they are packed with vitamins and minerals. Because when you take a little seed, when you think about it, that little seed has all the beautiful vitamins and minerals to create a plant. So you are getting so many mega nutrients and mega minerals in that little sprout seed. So one of the things I love is the high nutrient content. And they create better digestibility. You don't get bloating and gas. It just creates, it's great for your immune system, great for heart health, all kinds of things that sprouting will bring to the table for you. And a side note, sprouting helps you to lose weight. So all those people out there that would like to lose a few pounds, sprouting is your best friend. So I will take you with me over the next few days, and I will show you what happens in the sprouting process and what you end up with. And it is an amazing, amazing way to get your vitamins and minerals. So stay with me. So in about 4 or 5 days, you've got this beautiful nutrient package that you can just enjoy and receive all the health benefits from all these beautiful sprouts. And you have a good day.